Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 20. The angles of a polygon are x, 2x, 2x, x plus 30 degree, x plus 20 degree, and x minus 10 degree. Now we have to find the value of x. A 45 degree, B 84 degree, C 85 degree, and D 95 degree. Now looking at this polygon, since the polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles, it means that this polygon has what? 6 sides. So it's a 6-sided polygon. And from this we can determine the sum of angles of this polygon using the formula that says sum of angle of a polygon is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. And we have that the side of this polygon is 6, so we can simply say 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, and this is equals to 4 multiplied by 180 degree, which is equals to 720 degree. So this is sum of the interior angle of this polygon. Now to find x, we simply would equate the sum of all these angles, since they are the interior angles of this polygon, to 720. So therefore we have x plus 2x plus 2x plus x plus 30 degree plus x plus 20 degree plus x minus 10 degree equals to 720 degree. From this we can have that what 1x, 3x, 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x. So 8x, then we have 30 degree plus 20 degree, that's 50 degree, minus 10 degree, that's 40 degree, plus 40 degrees equals to 720. From this we can say 8x is equals to 720 minus 40, and this is equals to 680 degree. So 8x is equals to 680 degree. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 8. 8 here we cancel 8, so we have x is equals to, now 680 divided by 8 is equals to 85 degree. So the value of x is 85 degree, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.